We're celebrating Italian Heritage Month with Marisa Mariella of Marisa's Easy Kitchen, serving up a taste of Italy through salads. And I love Italian salads.
Oh, wonderful.
So good.
Wonderful. But before we do salads, I have to thank you for being really my open door to CHCH Morning Live.
This is our last segment together.
It is.
Oh,
later on, we will share into the cake. I did.
Thank you.
Anyway, it was just my way of saying
okay, everybody
thank
in the
you.
Control room, that's mine.
Well, that's the Italian way, right? We say thank you through food. And really, that's what Italian Heritage Month is all about. We're celebrating the contributions of the Italian immigrants, and we're doing it through food, okay?
Okay.
So salad's nice and bright and fresh. We're gonna do a Caprese salad, really traditional. Have you ever tried bufala mozzarella?
I have.
You have?
And I'm gonna try
so
a
I'm
little
gonna give
bit.
you a little slice. So this comes from Campania, imported from Campania. Nardini's carries them. Really lovely. You just slice.
Very good.
Wait till we have garden fresh tomatoes, right? So I have here some basil infused olive oil. If you wouldn't mind just drizzling that and layering it. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh, that's the shot right there.
There we go.
A little bit of salt, and you have a beautiful salad.
Now, do you ever put balsamic on it?
You can. There's no rule why you couldn't.
Okay.
Personally, I like the flavor of the robust extra virgin olive oil, and this one's infused with basil, so it's lovely. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So I'm so glad I asked you. You're not big on finocchio.
No, fennel.
Fennel,
I don't
that's
like
right.
licorice.
Okay, so if you've ever seen this vegetable
in the grocery store,
yeah, don't be intimidated. This is finocchio, very, very lovely. You might just have to clean it up a little bit fibrous, just peel it off. And then we use a mandolin and we do a little slicing.
We're decorating the floor.
Oh, well, that's okay. We're gonna put those in the bowl, and we have blood orange. Maybe you can try that a little bit. And we're gonna supreme our oranges. What do you think?
Very nice.
Nice. See, wouldn't it be lovely to have somebody in the morning always supreme your oranges? Wouldn't that be lovely?
Yeah.
Okay, so you get the idea. I've got some oranges here. Maybe you can dump those in the bowl.
So this is just, you've cut off the rind because you're going to reuse the rind somewhere else.
Yes, exactly. So we're going to use the rest of that fleshy part. Maybe add some red onion.
Okay, the whole thing?
Maybe half.
Okay,
yeah. And some of the blood oranges. So we're going to use what's left over from the oranges to make our dressing. And of course, I have extra virgin olive oil.
So that's your acid for the dressing, right?
Yes, that's right. Olive oil, but I do like white balsamic vinegar.
Which is very good.
Yes, so we don't add the red just because we don't want to stain the vegetables. So maybe you can give that a little toss.
Okay.
Yeah, give that a little toss. I already have some salt in here. There we go. Look how pretty that looks.
It is very pretty.
Now, you could, you know, jazz it up and add some other things. Maybe some artichokes would be lovely. Some olives, capers is also very traditional. But we're just keeping it like this.
And is this like a coleslaw where it's like the longer it soaks, the better it tastes?
Okay,
or
so it
it
is
fresh?
because it marinates, right? You threw me off when you said coleslaw. Italians, coleslaw.
If you're more familiar with coleslaw than this.
That's right, there you go. And I just added pistachios because this salad originates from Sicily. And so we have all the key ingredients that are just so iconic to Sicily.
Okay. And we've got a minute left. This is my favorite Italian.
Okay, I need you to smash these up just with your fist, just pound it away. That's right. This is Panzanella salad that really is like poor man's salad. You have really dry, crusty bread. This is what they would do in that.
Okay.
They would just soak it in water.
Yeah, and put it in the oven.
No, they would just soak it in water. The water would absorb the bread would absorb.
30 seconds left.
Okay, beautiful. We're gonna add tomatoes. We're gonna add some onions.
And it softens everything up, right?
Everything.
It tastes so good.
Some of that balsamic vinegar. I think you get the idea.
Okay, if people are watching this, where can they get these recipes?
There it is. On my website, I will be posting very soon. Can you try this?
Yes.
All right, let's see. Maybe just pick off some of the bread there.
Thank you.
And thank you, Annette. Thank you for all your work.
We'll get these up on our website.
Okay.
Perfect.